Hi friends, in this video I will explain about Python Pandas with some simple programs. What are the important concepts in Python Pandas and how it is useful for data analysis. This is the file I have created for doing the data analysis or for doing our Pandas programs. So when you create a file like this, even in Excel also you can create. Go to the file, click on download and then take this .csv file, comma separated values .csv file. After downloading that one, go to the Google Colab, click on the files, then click on upload, upload that file I have already uploaded and rename as data.csv. This is the file I have uploaded. See what is Pandas? Pandas is a Python library and to work with the data sets for doing the data analysis. There are two important objects that we need to learn for Pandas. First one is data frame. You can consider data frame as a table, two-dimensional array, and series you consider as a column in that table. See here, this is the program import pandas as PD. So we are importing pandas with a nickname as PD. You can give any name. We are taking here PD. PD is the name for the pandas. So whenever you want to use pandas, simply use PD. Dataset marks, creating a dataset marks. Names is the first column with the details Bharat and Kumar. Two names given and second column is the marks 100 and 90. 100 is the marks of Bharat and 90 is the marks of Kumar. So I am I am taking like that. You can change the marks and the names, whatever the values you want to give, you can give. Here marks equal to PD dot data frame in bracket parenthesis data set marks. The data set that you created, that we created here, simply giving as an input to the data frame method. PD dot data frame of data set marks. What it is creating here? Marks. What is this marks? Marks is a data frame. First we created data set. First we created a data set and then we using that data set we got data frame. What is the name of that data frame? Marks. So if you want to print that data frame, just click on the run button. See 0 1 are the index and names first column and marks is the second column. So if you want to provide some index instead of this 0 and 1 here, then import pandas as PD dataset marks the same as above, the same as above. Till now we have seen how to create a data set and data frame. So we have seen data frame as a two-dimensional array. It is like a table with rows and columns. There is a attribute location to get the specific row. If you want to see the first row, use location of 0. If you want to get the first two rows, then 0, comma 1. Like this, you can access the rows from the data frame. So you can create data frame using dictionary, list, or numpy, nd arrays, or series. You can create data frame using any of these data structures. Data frame has some attributes. See the some of the attributes I have mentioned here. Head attribute, if you want to see the data from the top 5 records. Bottom 5 records is tail. If you want to see the index, if you want to know the what are the columns, what are the axes, what are the data types of each column, what is the size of the data frame and the shape of the data frame, what is the dimensions of the data frame, is it empty, or if you want to transpose the data frame, then if you want to see the values from the data frame, these are the properties. There are other properties also. So these are the basic properties we need to learn. Next one is the series. Series is like a column. It is a one-dimensional array. Contains data of any kind. Sequence of data values we can call as. You can create series using a list or a dictionary. How we create? Import pandas as PD. S1 is equal to, I am giving the name S1, PD dot series, PD dot series, and providing a list of elements. It is a list. So list is created using the square brackets, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a list of elements. So how simple it is? See how creating the series here. Import pandas as PD. S1 is equal to PD dot series of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Just a single line and then print S1. So click on the run button, you will get the output. So this left side is the index and right side we have elements. So here it is giving the data type as integers. So look at the next series. We are giving the name as S2. So how we are creating? PD dot series of square brackets David, Joel, Amos. We are taking single quotes because these are strings. Isaac and Daniel. 5 elements. Just print those elements, run button. Then this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the index. And this Joel, Amos, Isaac, and David are the elements. Next one, if you want to see the index of this S2 series, so start 0, stop, and step 1. This is the index of this S2 series. Next one, if you want to see the shape, so shape we got, then data type. Next one, size. Next one, dimension. So these are the properties of series. Series dot index will give the index of the series. Shape, tuple shape, data d type, data type of data. Okay. Series dot size of the data. What is the size? Empty. True. If the series object is empty, has a not a number, values. NaN means not a number fields, not a number values. Number of bytes, number of dimensions, size of data item. These are the attributes. Next one, another example you see here, S3 creating another series called S3 PD dot series of, in bracket we give 1 2 3 4 5 as elements. Print S3 of first element. If you provide index of 0, you'll get the first element. Run here. See, you are getting 1. 1 is the first element. That's why we got 1. Next, we go for data frame. So, data frame. So, how we create data frame? We already seen. Read CSV file, import pandas as PD. This is the first statement, import pandas as PD. So what is the data frame name? We are taking data frame std, I mean student database. That's why I am taking data for df means data frame, std is the student. So read the file pd dot read underscore csv. So click this file, it will create data frame. So now check the data frame values. These are the values under the data frame df underscore std. So without print also you can check the details. Here we are using print of df. Without print also you can get the details here, right? So how many records there are? 14 records. There are 14 records. So there is another function for the data frame, describe. Let's see what is the details it will give. So it is giving all the columns, count, mean, standard deviation, mean, what all these are. This is a summary of statistics, statistical summary of our data. So that is the function of describe. Next one, what head gives. See here, what head is giving here. Head is giving first 5 records. Okay, head is giving first 5 records. What tail is giving? Look at what tail is giving. Last 5 records, 10, 11. So last 5. Remember, head will give first 5 records and tail will give us tail. How to write the tail? Df underscore dot tail. If you type like that, then you will get the output like this. Next one, if you want to see the index, start, stop, and step. 3 keywords in index: start, stop, and step. This is index. Next one, indexing rows and columns. So if you want to see the details of one column, then these are the details of age. If you want to details of other columns, you simply mention in quotes. So if you want to print 2 elements, I have made first letter as capital. That's why I need to change this to the capital one. This is the age and attendance. See what is the age and attendance. So if you want to know the what are the columns, so data frame dot columns. If you want to see the data types, see data types of each and every column. If you want to make it as a transpose, so left side we got column names, right side data. So if you want to sort the values by subject, that is also possible here. Slicing, if you want to see the data according to your need, I want only first 3 records, so 0 to 3. Next, if you want to know the size, it is 165. Check it is empty or not. False means it is not empty. Data frame is not empty. What are the values in the data frame? See, giving only values. What is the dimension of this data frame? 2-dimensional. So if you want to see a column as unique values from a column. So these are the unique values from the Telugu column. Next one. So if you want to see the marks, like how many people got 100 marks? Tell me, how many people got 100 marks? 100 marks. How many people got 100 marks? 2. How many people got 95? 2. How many people got 98 marks in this Telugu subject? 3 marks. If you want to provide index to the data frame instead of zeros and ones, what is this? We are doing named index. Named index. See the program, whatever we have done in the above, that is as is still here. What is the extra we added here is index equal to Java, comma Python. First is the Java and second is the Python. Okay. So then you just click on the run button, then you see the output. In first 0, in the above program, here Java. Second one index is 1, here we got the Python. This is the named index. So you can give the names for that index. Next one, another data set. Look at here. Import pandas as PD. Import pandas as PD. Datasets is equal to names apple, banana, and mango. There are in quotes. There are in quotes. And for price 100, 90, 80. These are directly we are giving 100, 90. We are not taking any quotes, right? These are integers. And above are the strings. For strings, we are giving quotes. For strings, we are giving quotes. So what is the name of the data set here? Fruits. PD dot data frame in bracket dataset fruits we are providing as an input. From that dataset, we are creating a data frame that is fruits. So in the first above program, we have created dataset that is called marks. Dataset marks. Here dataset fruits, and above that name of the data frame is marks. Here data frame name is fruits. You can give any kind of name. Reading a CSV file using Pandas. So it is an important thing, reading a file, external file. So because we have some file here, right? So data.csv, we need to upload that file into this program. Import pandas as PD. We are importing pandas library. data frame is equal to pd dot read data frame equal to pd dot read csv, and in single quotes provide the name of that file. So go to the files, copy the path and just mention the path here and click on the run button. So this is the print df, printing the data frame. We are creating data frame using the external file. See how many columns and rows here: roll number, name, class, Telugu, maths, social, physics, chemistry, English, age and attendance also. These are the data here. Next one, membership test. If you want to see a person or the value available or not, 100 in Telugu. Is there anyone got 100 marks? Yes, someone got. It is true. So if you change the value like 20, what will happen? False. No one got 20 marks. No one got 20. So that's the membership test. Next one, a ranking. Use ranking function. So who got best rank? Roll this roll number 8 you'll get. This person got better rank compared to other people. Okay. Next one, sort the values. So 87 starting, 89 second. These are sorting values using the function sort values. Next one, writing and reading text to format. Reading a CSV we already seen. So here, if you want to write a data frame to the CSV file, then df dot to CSV is a function. Give the name of the file and index is false. So if you click here, you will get an file in the files. What is the name of the file? Test data. Click. So we got test data CSV. This is what? Writing data to the text file CSV. Next one, ranking is a different example. Fruit quantity and price. 3 columns in the data. And name of the data frame is df only. Just click to see the output. So look at who got better rank. Banana 40. Quantity rank. This giving the rank according to the quantity. So orange has only 20. That's why it got lowest rank. Least rank, that is 4. Banana quantity is more, that's why it got more better rank. Sorting values. Sorting values by quantity. See here, sorted data frame. Name of the data frame df dot sort values by quantity. We are sorting values by quantity. See here 40, 30, 25, 20.